guys, now we are creating a checkpoint R77.30 HA configuration. So how we can do the HA, just we are going through it. Here is the diagram. We have the management with the IP address 192.168.0.59. okay, actually this is my I'm doing an VMware, so I'm using a management IP address as the outside interface. Okay, so my manager is sitting in the outside. Okay, and then my gateway 1 has the IP address 192.168.0.57, and the for gateway 2 192.168.0.58, and my outside virtual IP for the HA virtual IP is 192.168.0.60. okay, then we are moving for the another interface, which is a sync interface in both the gateways. Here we have the IP address 10.10.10.2 on gateway 1 and 10.10.10.3 on gateway 2. okay, then we have an inside network which is 192.168.1.0/24. here we are using the IP address as a gateway 1 inside interface for inside interface 192.168.1.111, and for the gateway 2 inside interface IP address is 192.168.1.112. okay, then another the virtual IP for the inside interface is 192.168.1.110, which is a virtual IP address. Then we are moving towards my test PC. okay, from inside PC I have kept one PC inside. okay, for this the IP address is 192.168.1.128/24, and the gateway is 192.168.1.110, which is my virtual IP address of the inside interface. okay, now we are going through how to create an network object. This is my gateway 1, this is gateway 2, and this is my manager. okay, let's move to the management smart dashboard console. Here we can see first time we don't have any object for the gateways. okay, so what we can do, just right click checkpoint gateway security gateway manager. We are using a classic mode. Here classic mode you can give the name which is CP gateway 1, and the IP address for the gateway, which is my outside, is 192.168.0.57. okay, then click on communication, and communication give the SIG key, okay, which we configure at the time of first time configuration, or you can change the if you forgot while installing the first time wizard, and then we can do through log into the gateway in expert mode and go to the CP config. There you can see the number 5th as a secure internal communication. In that you can reset the SIG. okay, I can remember my SIG key what I gave at the first time wizard, so I'm given the same. Once we enter the SIG, try to initialize. Yeah, it is got trust established, so communication is done, so click OK. okay, this is my interfaces all which I configured on a gateway 1. okay, the ETS2 is my SIG interface, ETS0 is my outside, ETS1 is my inside. okay, I got everything. okay, then I closed and go to topology. In topology everything is there. That's good, nothing else we have to do here as of now. Then firewall is kept. okay, click on OK. Then my gateway object is added here, and I'll do the same procedure for the gateway second. Here also is the classic mode, and for my name is CP-GW2, and the IP address is 192.168.0.58. then communication, again I can give the SIG key, then initialize, so it got established. Then click on OK. all the interfaces are came here, then close it, then go to topology. You can see all the interfaces. okay, then click on OK. Once my both the gateways are added in my checkpoint object, so here I have to create a right click checkpoint security cluster. Here security cluster, and which is my checkpoint appliance or the open server. In here this is the option. What I'll do, I will do CP cluster. I'll give the name as CP cluster, and here I will give the outside IP address of these outside interfaces. Okay, this is the outside VIP IP address .60. So I'll give the same. So 192.168.0.60. Okay, then once it is given, so I'll remove the IPS and IPsec. I have only the firewall blade here, and R77.30 open server, the cluster member. Here we have to add the both the gateways which we have created just now, net gateway objects. Okay, add. Here we have two options, which is create new cluster member. If we don't add it here, you can create a new one from directly here and it will get automatically added here, or else we have to add the existing gateway. So gateway 1 is my yes, and second is the second one. Okay, yes. It is saying some pop-up, you're going to go through it once while you're doing. Okay, so I can see both the gateway members are here in cluster XL. I'm using an cluster XL protocol for the HA, or else we use the VRRP, but most clients are using the cluster XL only, which is a checkpoint proprietary. So move toward the gateway. Here we can see not monitored. HA is not enabled still, so this is here. I have to click it OK, or you can do on edit, it will come here. Then you can give the virtual IP here, which is outside VIP 192.168.0.60 255.255.255.0. Done. Topology is my external, and this spoofing is enabled. Okay, this is external. Now this is a cluster. Okay, same here. My inside virtual IP is 110, so I have given here. Then click here, it is internal, not specific, that's okay. Then click here, okay. So both these are monitored as a cluster, and this interface is my sync interface. So I am selecting a first sync. Now all is like external, internal. Then my topology is finished. Then I just click on OK. Once this is done, I am doing an natting globally. Patting. It's a patting globally with external IP address, which is my virtual IP address. I'll show the logs. Okay, then click on OK. So this is done. But still, if you go to the CLI of the gateways, you are not able to see the HA. Okay, because just give me a second. HA modeling is not started because we have just configured in a smart dashboard, but still we have not put the configuration to the gateways. So what we'll do, we'll create a policies here. One is stealth and another one is for the traffic to allow any. Okay, destination is my gateway, source is any, services I'll keep any, accept, log is like track, target is my CP cluster. Here this is my cleanup rule, so if any is coming, just drop it and track it. And this one is here, so I'll create one more rule for my PC. I'll create one node inside PC, which is 192.168.1.128. okay, done. So I'll drag and drop the node here, the source, destination any. From this this PC I am accessing internet, so there is no IP address for the internet, so a destination should be any, and services like 443 or 80, anything you can keep, but as of now I'm giving any for testing purpose. Accept. Okay, so my policies are done here. What I'll do, I'll just verify once. mention is the rule